Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to redeem your EveryDollar code. In order to redeem your EveryDollar code, you'll just need to follow these quick and simple steps, so make sure you watch the video till the end. First of all, launch open a web browser and go to everydollar.com and sign into your account. Once you're inside the main homepage of EveryDollar account, click on the settings button at the bottom left corner. Now this will open up your settings menu, from where you will need to scroll all the way down and click on redeem your voucher. Now you will be taken to the EveryDollar redeem page. Enter your code in the text box that is available to you, and then after you do that, click on the redeem button. You will be able to redeem your gift code or your EveryDollar code on a physical gift card or the link within the gift voucher email. So that is how you should be able to redeem your EveryDollar code in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.